Hello everyone, in this particular video we will discuss about solubility. What is solubility? It is defined as the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a given amount of solvent to form its saturated solution at a given temperature and pressure. Means constant temperature and pressure पर किसी given solvent में कितना maximum amount of solute dissolve हो सकता है. That is solubility. Solubility of solid in liquid. Solution of sugar or salt is a common example of solubility of solid in liquid. Solubility depends upon the factors like nature of solute and solvent. Polar solute dissolve in polar solvent, whereas non-polar solute dissolve in non-polar solvent. For example, salt and sugar dissolve in water, and naphthalene and anthracene dissolve in benzene. Dissolution. Dissolving of solid solute to the solvent is known as dissolution. Crystallization. The phenomenon of collision of solute particle in solution resulting in the separation of the solute particles from the solution is known as crystallization. Equilibrium. A phase when number of solute particles going into solution is equal to the solute particles separating out of the solution is known as equilibrium. Saturated solution. A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at the same temperature and pressure is known as saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. A solution in which more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at the same temperature and pressure is known as unsaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. A solution that contains more than the maximum amount of solute that is capable to being dissolved at a given temperature. Effect of temperature on solubility. According to Le-Chatelier principle, in a saturated solution, if the dissolution process is endothermic, the solubility should increase with rise in temperature. But if the dissolution process is exothermic, the solubility should decrease. Effect of pressure on solubility. Pressure does not have crucial effect on solubility of solids in liquid because they remain unaffected to pressure due to the high incompressibility of solid in liquid. Thank you.